Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight switch on a 2014 Dodge Journey. This video should apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now this is actually quite easy to do. All you need is a plastic pry tool, or if you don't have one, then a flat screwdriver. This complete switch just has to be pried out, and if you use something like I am using, you will not do any damage to the dashboard or to the switch itself. Okay. And once it pops out, all you have to do, you have to disconnect it in the back. One more tip, it's always a good idea to also disconnect the battery before you are unplugging or plugging in any kind of electrical connections. Okay, now I'll try to zoom it in now. To disconnect this switch, you see there is like a small black tab here. You just have to kind of push it to the right side and pull the switch down. And that's pretty much everything. Okay, I will show you now. Once again here. See, there's like a small tab here. And all you have to do, you have to push it here. That's it, very easy to do. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.